Chant this mantra 108 times. Chant Ho'oponopono 4 phrases 108 times. Have you ever wondered why spiritual teachers often say chant mantras 108 times? And why so many people, including Ho'oponopono practitioners, swear that repeating 4 phrases 108 times can be magical? What is so magical about this number 108? That is going to be the topic of my today's video. In the next 6-7 minutes, I'm going to share the deep spiritual, scientific, and emotional significance of this sacred number 108 and why chanting Ho'oponopono 108 times can be a life-changing ritual for you. Hi, this is Meghlata. I am a healer and health coach. In this channel, we explore powerful self-healing methods like Ho'oponopono EFT, the full form of which is Emotional Freedom Technique. I use NLP. I also use chakra harmonizing method for our overall well-being. I mix and match all these methods to transform our life from within, and I release video on all these topics regularly. If this resonates with you, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a healing tip. Across many ancient traditions, the number 108 has been seen as a very sacred number. It's seen as a complete and deeply connected to the universe. In Vedic tradition, there are 108 Upanishads. Upanishads are the ancient texts that holds the essence of spiritual knowledge. In Buddhism, they use malas that has 108 beads, representing the removal of 108 human desires, which are seen as obstacles for enlightenment. In yoga and Ayurveda, it is said that 108 energy lines or nadis that converge in our heart chakra. And when these nadis are clear, the flow of life force in our body is free, which is very essential for our well-being. In astronomy, 108 again has a very deep significance. There is some measurement of distance between Earth and Sun, Earth and Moon, the diameter of Sun. There are so many scales that talks about 108 in astronomy. In numerology, 1 represents oneness or unity, 0 represents fullness or completeness, and 8 represents infinity or the eternal flow of life. So when we say chant 108 times, it's not just random, some superstition stuff. So when we are chanting 108 times, it helps in syncing with the universal pattern of wholeness. Ho'oponopono is a Hawaiian forgiveness and reconciliation practice that uses 4 simple but very powerful phrases. I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. These are the 4 phrases we use in Ho'oponopono. When we repeat these 4 phrases 108 times, 3 things happen. The repetition sends waves of healing vibration through our body, clearing emotional blockages stored in our subconscious mind. The next advantage of repeating it 108 times is it gives your brain enough cycles to form new positive neural pathways. The next big advantage is when we repeat so many times, it moves us from the surface level of thought to the deeper meditative state. Here, in this deeper meditative state, the true transformation happens within us. When you chant 108 times all the 4 phrases, your mind slows down, your stress level reduces, and you feel more grounded. And when your mind slows down and when you feel grounded, then the natural process of forgiveness that emerges from you let go of grudges against your own self and also with others. When you repeat I love you 108 times, it opens your heart to compassion. You align with the universal pattern of love, peace, and gratitude. It's like giving your mind and your heart a daily shower of vibrant energy. Let's see how to do this 4 phrases 108 times. Sit comfortably in a quiet place. Before chanting 4 statements 108 times, you always start with the opening statement. I take 100% responsibility for all my life situations. I take 100% responsibility for all my emotions. Then you chant, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. This you will chant 108 times. You can use 108 bead malas, something similar to this. If you have 108 bead mala like this, hold it in your hand. For each bead, say, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Then go to the next bead. As you chant, see if there is pain in your memory, It could be emotional pain or physical pain, any pain. Just see that in your mind and see that pain is being healed through your chanting. Connecting the pain to the chanting is so essential because as you are chanting, you are directing this healing energy focused towards your pain area and the pain gets healed. Feel that forgiveness in your heart. See this divine light, divine energy filling your heart and send love to yourself. When you finish all 108 times, bring your palms together in the Namaste position and say I am at peace. At the end of any mantra chant, we say Om Shanti Shanti Shanti, right? Similarly, for this also, at the end say I am at peace. With deep gratitude in your heart, end your chanting. So this takes about 7-8 minutes. So 108 is not just some jumbo mumbo number. It's not any superstition. It's a sacred number. It's a sacred bridge between you and universal healing energy. See the difference in the energy level you're feeling. Observe yourself how your energy shifts. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe for more healing techniques, and share it with someone who needs a little peace today. I'll see you soon with another healing video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Keep smiling. This is Meghlata signing off with loads of love and tons of good wishes for your good health.